Alright, so we have a character here, we have a game, and we want to add sound. So right now if I play, you hear no sound, right? So we want to add sound to this game. So on the classroom, I gave you a website. It's actually a pretty decent website. So let's go to your classroom. Sorry, I have so many classrooms. Right? If you go to apps, this beautiful thing right here, beautiful, beautiful, has sound. So I'm gonna click. Let's see, just for fun. I like that. Download it. It's gonna pop up, but you're still gonna download. It's called Mixit, whatever, whatever, whatever. I'm gonna go over here in my media, add media, upload media, browse file, save. Now there's a sound here. You see it all the way on the top. So next, I need to click on my character. My character called Chicken? Oh, Swifty, Swifty. So let's edit the script. So he has a crazy code. You don't have to worry any of this code. What you're gonna do is you want an event to happen when something's pressed. He jumps with the up arrow, so I'm gonna put up arrow. And when that happens, you're gonna play a sound. So on sound, play sound effect. We're gonna call it oh jump animation. I don't know what you should call the sound. Oh, new variable, new variable. This recording is there we go. New variable, jump sound, right? And then to finish it off, we're gonna go to properties and make sure sound is activated. Jump sound is activated, so they know, hey, this is the thing I am assigning sound to. It's gonna ask me to save. Yes, yes. So as this is collect at the selected, you see how you need to select the sound for jump. Now when you play it, it's sound. Um, you know what? Out of fun, I'm gonna go add also maybe a background really quick. This BandLab and Soundtrap. I'm gonna just do a Soundtrap really quick, and I'm gonna log in with Google. Why not? Why not? Let's see if I make an account. Continue. Yeah. Oh, you want to know how old I am? Oh, you're gonna know how old I am. I'm old. I'm old. Oh, I'm old. I'm old. I don't want to put this. I should block this. Nah, but I should have put a fake age. I should have done Google. All right, whatever. So we're gonna just make a quick sound just for fun. Blah 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 blah. Music. That's all I'm gonna add. Maybe one more time. Oh, it doesn't let me. Is that gonna let me? OMG, is that gonna let me? Can I put it? Oh, you know what? What I'll do? Let me just put one right there. Right there. No, I don't want to pay. Okay, I'm stuck with one. Whatever. Alright, let's just save this anyways. Uh, File, export. I'm gonna just download the smallest version. There we go. Now we're gonna go to the game. That took mad long. Alright, so I don't have a background, but I'm just gonna put it here. And this will be when level starts. We're just gonna play a sound. And we're gonna call it background music. Same thing. Script properties. Go down. Background music, yes. Back, yes. Yes, yes, yes. That's jump sound, background sound. Oh, I didn't upload it. I didn't be on it. Downloads. Oh, it's not here. For shame. Did I not save it? Oh, it's still preparing. OMG, this is too long. You know what? I bet if I went on mine, it'd be quicker. That was taking that long. There we go. File, import, no, export, small. Done. Look at that. It was done. Mad quick. Go back to Skibidi. Browse. Look at that. Hopefully it's not too big. Yeah, real safe. Now select sound. No. Now let's play. Yay! All set. We're all done with sound.